Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my YouTube. As you can see, I'm going to my little recording spot because today I'm going to be talking about why I think you should buy your dream car when you're young. And this is not financial advice, bro. Do not sue me when all of your things get repossessed and you go bankrupt. It is not my fault. No, but I'm playing. But for real, today I'm going to be talking about that because this is a for real thing. Like, I actually do feel this, bro. Also, y'all bear with me. I got the wrong lens size, bro. This is so zoomed in. I feel like you guys are like in my nostrils right now. But yeah, let's get to the spot and then I will talk about why I think you should buy your dream car at a young age. First and foremost, what I think is probably the biggest reason that a lot of people don't even talk about is the fact that you will only have more liabilities and more things to take care of as you get older. Whether it's kids or paying off school debt, a mortgage, rent, whatever it is. A car is quickly gonna be the bottom of the list when it comes to necessities. And life is full of acquiring new responsibilities. You get married, you get a house, you have babies, and a car is probably the least of your concerns when you're doing all those things. And so it's not like it's ever gonna make more sense for you to get your dream car unless you're like 60, which, I mean, why even get your dream car? You can't even sit in bucket seats at 60, bro. You're gonna break your backbone. When you're young in your 20s, you've got nothing to really take care of except yourself and your car. So have fun, get the car, and enjoy your life because you never know. You might not ever have that opportunity to have one of these cars later on in life. Now, let me tell you about the second reason I believe everyone should buy their dream car at a young age. And this one is actually big, especially if you do what I do. I'm in digital marketing, so me meeting someone online could be literally a huge business opportunity. I do like digital ads, social media, everything for them. And having a car like this, you are gonna meet so many people that are business owners, that have money, that are doing well in life. And just you sharing the common connection of cars can get you in the door to be able to work with them. Especially if you do your own business, because then you can apply that to other business owners who need your services. With cars like this, the community is rich of people who have done things for themselves. Normally they're like-minded, motivated people who can help you succeed or give you great advice. And this third reason is honestly kind of funny, but it is true. Bro, buying a car like this is gonna put a fire under your butt to get money. Owning a sports car is gonna make you have to make more money because you need to maintain it. And on top of that, modifying it like I have to my car, that is money. With that monthly payment coming out every month, you're gonna wanna bust your butt to make all the money you can, plus modify it and maintain it properly. But even if you don't get a payment, I bought my car in cash. That was a lot of money to just dish out as 22 years old. And so I wanted to work 10 times as hard to make my money back so that I wasn't in the hole, and I did. I mean, cars in general push us to do better. Like, I swear, bro, I wasn't a good kid in school. I had awful grades, and honestly, I would be much better off just chilling, playing Minecraft all day, not worried about a single thing. Honestly, that sounds pretty nice. But bro, I want to get cars. If it wasn't for cars, bro, I would have never done anything for myself. Making my own money, working so hard like I do, I wouldn't do any of it. I promise you that. So cars can be a great motivational factor for you. And my last reason, you guys might think I'm stupid for this, but I don't care, bro. My last reason is that we're all on a spinning rock. Get your car, have fun, do what you love. Don't get one of these cars if you're just doing it to impress everyone else. But if you're like me and you genuinely live for cars, like everything in your body just loves the aesthetics, the sounds, the feelings, the looks, get a car. You never know. Tomorrow's not promised. Live your life now. And let's be real, bro. When you're young and you have a car like this, it hits different. You'll never be in your 20s owning your dream car again. So in my opinion, I want to go out and have my fun. I work extremely hard, way too hard, to not enjoy myself a little bit. Also, guys, I'm sorry that it's so zoomed in. I got the wrong lens. I'm gonna get a better lens setup that's like wide angle so you guys can actually like see me better. But yeah, guys, this is like my first like video, I guess. I have so many awesome videos planned though. This is not what I want. I know that sounds weird, but once y'all see what I have cooking up, you'll understand what I'm saying. So subscribe right now because, bro, these videos are gonna be so fun. I'm gonna go back on the trail and scrape up my front lip. But hey, this spot was worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and drop an orange heart if you got this far so I know you're a real one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.